market, and it go out and read all these books on FX options and volatility trading and whatnot, and it will spit out, hopefully it will understand those papers and spit out 10 strategies. Maybe 9 of them nonsense. LLM doesn't really understand what it's reading, but maybe one of those strategies actually makes sense, and you can go ahead and backtest it and it generate good returns. That would be a good way to use LLM to generate trading strategy. Now that's a theory. I haven't seen anybody publish any work that shows that it's working. Actually, in between the two, there is a possibility that you can use LLM to directly convert sentiment to trade, and that's actually the project that we are working on. So we are working on an LLM project that uses the Federal Reserve Chair's speeches as an input on a high frequency basis, every sentence, for example, and convert that every sentence that he said in a press conference into a sentiment score and trade based on that sentiment score. So it doesn't go through another machine learning program. It just uses its sentiment to trade on that. And we have achieved some preliminary result that we are actually going to report on in our generative AI workshop in October. So that's a project that we actually actively working on. It's showing some promise. So that is in between the two usage, right? One usage I said is to just simply generate features from unstructured data and use it as an input to other trading program. The second one is to completely generate new strategies from reading books and papers. This particular application of generating trade based on sentiment is sort of in between the two, and that's actually what we're working on. And you might call it, it's actually the first project of generating features is already done. It's well known. People actually have been doing it for years. The second project, which is using LLM to generate brand new strategy from reading it, it has not been realized yet. Whereas what we are working on is in between. It is showing promise. It's not definitive yet, but that's hopefully we'll find the result and report it in our workshop in a few months.
I look forward to that workshop. Ernest, this has been a fascinating conversation. My mind is going crazy. In closure here, can you tell me a little bit about your 3 books, predictnow.ai, and also where can listeners learn more and work with you?
Yeah, the 3 books, quantitative trading, algorithmic trading, and machine trading. Now, it's very interesting. If you ask ChatGPT, who are the best algorithmic trading books author, or what are the top 10 best algorithmic trading books, oftentimes my 3 books will show up in the top 10. And I don't know if it's hallucinate, so take it with a grain of salt. They do. So predictnow.ai is the company I started last 3 years to offer this kind of machine learning assistance to traders. We don't want to use machine learning to tell them what to trade. That's the job of the trader. We use machine learning to increase their Sharpe ratio, to decrease their risk, using corrective AI, using conditional portfolio optimization. That's the service we offer through predictnow.ai. And we also offer, like I said, a workshop on how to use large language model to convert unstructured data to tradable signals. That's what I was just talking about. So we offer the workshop through predictnow.ai as well in October.
Awesome, man. I will definitely be there. Ernest, thank you so much for your time today. This has been an amazing conversation. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you for inviting me. Take care.
All right, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed that episode as much as I did, definitely jump into my free Discord for traders. We have the biggest trading and algo trading community out there, and it's free to join. All you have to do is search on YouTube MoonDev, find one of my videos, and you'll see in the description your free invite to our Discord. So I look forward to seeing you inside the community and on the next episode. Have a wonderful